So hello everyone, welcome to another live, and today we will be, as always, trading some futures. So let's get some music on and then hop on Everdex, see what's what, see where the market is currently at, and then we will spend about half an hour or so analysing the market, see where we can get a trade, see where we can get some nice trades going, see where the market's going, if there's any key levels, and yeah, so let's get into it. So currently still looks as if we're in this level that I had. I believe it was, what's going on with the camera? There we go. So let me just share my screen. There we go. So we're going a wider time frame. We had some positions here on our last stream. So now we'll try to look for the movement, see where the market's headed, and yeah. So this level does seem to be pretty strong. We've got a couple of taps on that support level. So ideally, we could set a limit, or actually we could go for a position right about now. So you see it's currently in a downtrend. So we could expect the market now to go bearish and hit the support level. So we'll take profit at 70,544. 70,544. And a stop loss at 77.50. 77.50. Go a bit lower actually, so yeah, I think I'll do. And now we just wait, as you see, currently on that downtrend, peak, and then most likely a peak here, and then we're going to continue on that downtrend towards this level here. Not really a massive trade, but we could have obviously took it right at that peak, but we only just clocked that downtrend shortly after. So, and I don't believe there's any levels for the price to struggle to get through. So as you see, downtrend. So it could even break through that level. But we do have some kind of level here, but it has struggled to break through. Let me just mark that down. We'll get the little magnet tool on. and roughly around here. So as you see, the price did try to come through this level here, but it struggled, didn't have that momentum, didn't have that strength, and obviously could not continue. And it has tried that multiple times, as seen on the 15-minute time frame. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 false breaks. Well, ideally you'd say 3. So market went through, came back up, market went through, came back up, market went through, came back up. So there's 3 false breaks visible there. And then the next level that it could, if it were to come through this level, it would most likely be here. And then here, and then obviously here, and this would be the final level. And then that one would come after it. So let's just keep an eye on that and see where it's heading. As you see, the downtrend has now finished by the looks of it, and it seems to be creating a reversal. So we'll close that position, and we'll wait. We'll give it some time. Not going to rush into it, and just we'll see what happens. And I've just accidentally moved that level, but so on the 5 minutes, it is visible that the trend is on that continuation downwards. But we're not going to risk it. We're going to chill out for a little bit, see what happens, and then when we get a more clearer view of what's going on, then we can look to get a trade on. So realistically, the price could now be looking to be in a squeezing position. So if we were to set a limit order around 75.30, let's say. $75.30, and then we would take profit at around 76.30. 76.30. Never mind, that's not right. That was our take profit would be here. There we go, 76.30. So that would be around here-ish. And stop loss would be about 70. We'll do 70,480. 480. It's already beginning to come to that level. So this is the level. Once it hits it, the price, the trade is open, and then obviously we had that for a long position. I think we may have put that in a little bit too early, but late, a little bit too late. But no, it's been taken already. So let's have a look what happens. Well, that was a bit unsuccessful, and the price has broke through that level, and then the next level to look for would be let me just get rid of that level, it's completely irrelevant. So our stop loss was a little bit too small. So we entered around, I'm not sure, I think it was 550, I believe, if I remember correctly. So now this level here is the next one, as you see here. So we have, realistically, we could actually, I'd say the price would come up around this level here. I wouldn't really expect it to go right to the top. We could expect it around halfway and then begin that continuation of the downtrend. So ideally now, we want that price to come back up. For us to be able to enter that short position And if we look in the higher time frames, what do we see? We still see that continuation of the downtrend. So if I were to draw another line, perfect. You see, this touches here, touches there. So we have 1, 2, 3, and I think we had a stronger signal in the 15-minute time frame for those top levels. I think we have one here, this green candle. So the price is coming up a little bit back up to that sell limit order. So ideally, we'd want it to hit it, and then we'd be on that continuation for that downtrend. And realistically, our take profit could be around this area here. So price is currently sat at about 770,500. It's about 10 more seconds left on that candle. So we may actually see that continuation of that downtrend, but that peak is pretty sharp, as you see. So from the, let's say the top of this peak, the move is pretty sharp. So we'd actually expect it to stay in these levels, but it kind of doesn't want to do that. So we could realistically set our limit up to about 530, let's say. See that lovely downtrend. Does come up a little bit, but then that level is there, that resistance level. Bounces back off it and continues the downtrend. So currently what we want to see is that price just coming up a little bit, so we can have that sell position executed. So now it does look like it's going to continue on that downtrend towards this level here, and that level was a bottom for here. So say if we were to look in the hourly time frame, it kind of does look a little bit irrelevant. So realistically, it could even go back down to 69,900. So you can see it's been on that move since the 13th, and today is the 15th, I believe. 14th, so yesterday it peaked at about 4 o'clock, and it's been on that move ever since. So that candle right there was pretty much non-existent. As you see, super tiny. And what happens here is when things like this happen, you see that candle is absolutely small. It's midget. It's literally, you can barely clock it. So when we see some of those small, like super small candles, we had a similar thing happen in where was it? So it was yesterday, around this area here, you see. So the candles are super small. So for about 5-10 minutes, super small candles, big jump, small, and again, and then a big move downwards. And then it's ever since it's been continuing down. A little bit of upward movement, and then that continuation. There's a very big consolidation here, nice and long, couple hours at least. So from 8ish till so pretty much all night. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that position, and we are going to enter a short position right around 70.59. So right around there. And as for take profit, we can have 69950. go. We had the take profit 699.50, and as for stop loss, we'll put it to 70,550. 550. So it's around here. So there was some price accumulating in this area, as you see. Not a big movement at all, but a lot of. Well, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, all super small, but they've left the large wicks at the ends. So yeah, so what we're expecting is that continuation. For that downtrend. And in the 1 hour time frame, we could expect the price to maybe struggle around this area. So about 70,100. So it does seem the price is kind of struggling with getting through those. So not getting through, but continuing with that downtrend. So it was nice, and as you can see, nice peaks, nice lows. And now it's kind of in a bit of a consolidation in this area here. Don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is essential. So there is a chance that price goes back up to maybe even this resistance level or close to it around here. Say that's what's currently kind of happening, and then it would continue to be on that downtrend. Can't no one touch us good, too smooth. Yeah, one time, I can tell it all stars align. Them boys ain't there, yeah, I keep it. I know you know when to. That's just something we do. And tonight's like it's it, you and I ain't no stress, we survive. Don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is a situation. Girl, we connected like a constellation. 2 stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. Saucy. I've been bogged down. Nowhere to crawl now. I've been looking for a good move. I've been trying to shake a bad day. I've been running through the rat race. Yeah, got a case of brown now.
But you looking like a vibe check. Eyes wet, let me put that little frown down. Hit my line when you running through the town now. We don't even need no conversation. The way you moving is a situation. And we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Two stars on the floor tonight. It don't require no contemplation. Do it without you with no hesitation. We shine just like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. I be floating to the feeling all lost. Take a risk, pay the cost, and I'm right back in this bitch sauce. One thing, I'ma make sure to do on floss. Show me who you are. She won't be playing C, she the cream of the crop. And if you like me, might sing you about how I'm vibrating, keep the evil apart. She for the tribe, there's belief in my eye. When the doubt come in, then I bleed from the heart. Bleed from the tree in my priest, so I calm down. I've been trying to keep it calm now. But the snakes on the prowl in my lawn now. I keep a stick move slip with a palm out. She want the glitz and the glam, she deserved it. Every time you bring that ass back around, I make the sad shit down somewhere. I'm keeping it. Yeah. I know you know where to. That's just something we do. And tonight's like it's just you and I. Ain't no stress, we so bad. Don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is a situation. Girl, we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. It don't require no contemplation. Do it without you with no hesitation. We shine just like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. Don't even need no conversation. So if we're moving in the situation, girl, we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. Don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is a situation. Girl, we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. It's automatic, I feel it too. It's like telepathic how I move with you. Can't no one touch your skill too smooth. One time, I can tell it all stars align. Them boys ain't there, yeah, I keep it. Ooh, I know you know where to. That's just something we do. And tonight's like it's just you and I. Ain't no stress, we so bad. Don't even need no conversation. The way we're moving is a situation. Girl, we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. Saucy. I've been bogged down. Nowhere to crawl now. I've been looking for a good move. I've been trying to shake a bad day. I've been running through the rat race. Head got a case of brown now. But you looking like a vibe check. Eyes wet, let me put that little frown down. Hit my line when you running through the town now. We don't even need no conversation. The way you moving is a situation. And we connected like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Two stars on the floor tonight. It don't require no contemplation. Do it without you with no hesitation. We shine just like a constellation. Two stars on the floor tonight. Stars on the floor tonight. I be floating to the feeling all lost. Take a risk, pay the cost, and I'm right back in this bitch sauce. One thing, I'ma make sure to do on floss. Show me who you are. She won't be playing C, she the cream of the crop. A nigga like me might sing you about how I'm vibrating, keep the evil apart. She for the tribe, there's belief in my eye. When the doubt come in, then I bleed from the heart. Bleed from the tree in my priest, so I calm down. I've been trying to keep it calm now. But the snakes on the prowl in my lawn now. I keep a stick move slip with a palm out. She want the glitz and the glam, she deserved it. Every time you bring that ass back around, I make the sad shit down somewhere. I'm keeping it. Yeah. I know you know where to. That's just something we do. And tonight's like it's just you and I. Ain't no stress, we so bad. require no contemplation. No, if we die here with no hesitation, we shine just like a constellation. So stars on the floor tonight, stars on the floor tonight. Don't even need no conversation. So if we're moving, it's official equation. We'll be shining like a constellation. So stars on the floor tonight, stars on the floor tonight.
So currently we're waiting for the price to kind of bounce off of that level and continue with that downtrend. That's what's currently seems to be happening. So if we were to ignore this area here, I'd say it's like a accumulation zone where the price was gaining that power. You see, it created that move back upwards again, and most likely now it would touch that level again and continue on that move downwards.
Let go tomorrow. You will find a distraction.
So what's happening now is we're in a bit of consolidation, and what I'd expect around now is for that price, the market to touch the level, or maybe not even touch the level, but then there will be a continuation of that downtrend unless there's some kind of big player that would break through that level and make a big reversal. But it does look like it's not very unlikely to happen. So it does seem that we're going to stay in those levels and continue that downtrend. Hello. How is the sound? Good, bad? So right around now, would expect this candle to go longer so that continuation can happen. So I'd expect it to go around, say about here, and that'll give us enough space for that continuation. And you know that downtrend would be then visible as well. So you see all these peaks. Peak, not so much of a peak here, but it's like I'd say like a bit of an uptrend starting to happen, and then there's that continuation of that downtrend from this peak here, and then we'd say this one, and then this one. So the three lows would be here, here, and then here. So we'd obviously cancel out this one. This big candle is a paranormal candle, as you can see, one big movement, and we would probably not calculate that if we were to calculate like a movement of price on a daily average. So pretty much what happens is, let me just give you guys a bit of a personal talk on it. So at the start of every session, the best thing to do is calculate how much the market has moved in the past 5 days. So to calculate this average price range, you would get the last 5 days. So it would go on the daily time frame, as you see. So we would calculate each candle. For example, these two candles probably won't be calculated because, as you see, they are very, very big. All the rest seem okay. Like, especially this red one, it's massive, it's so big. So what we'd do is get the last 5 candles, and we would calculate. There's a website called I can't remember the name, but it shows you the highs and lows of that day. And pretty much, if I go on a candle like this, a little box pops up and it shows you how much that price has moved in that day. So you'd get all those 5 candles, price for each of those candles. So you've got 5, 4-figure numbers. Let's say yesterday 1,000 points, the day before, 1,500 points, and then the day before 500 points. So pretty much you calculate those 5 prices, points to say, and you would pretty much add them together and divide them by 5. You can do obviously larger, like 10, 15, but 5 is, I'd say, the best way to do it. It's just more precise. So as the market moves a lot through the day, so you would get those prices, add them together, and then divide them by 5, which will give you that average. And with that average, you can expect that amount of movement in that day. So let's say 1,000 for each day. 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. So realistically, on the 6th day, you'd expect the price to move 6,000 points on the daily chart. So yeah, that's just a little briefing, some of the things to look out for. So yeah, that's literally what's happened. So you see the price was kind of generating here. It kind of peaked. It didn't quite hit the line, the resistance level, and then there's that continuation of the downtrend. So it could struggle around this level here. Could be a little fight, but what we've seen currently, so if we go higher, you see there's a big downtrend happening. So realistically, this is the level where we could have that little bit of trouble to get through that level. So it would be going down, and it would just try until it gets that strength and goes through. And if it doesn't get that strength, it will obviously try and not enough strength, and it comes back up. So for each place, there's like one here, and then there's one here. So this is like the low, and this would be also a low. So this here, this little peak, and then I don't think this one was one, because on the 1 hour time frame it doesn't seem that it's there. As you can see, there's no red candle here, so it might not be that strong. And as you see, it has broken through before, but it went back up, and then it broke through again, went back up. So realistically, it could indicate that the strength for this time round is there, and it would, go through that level. That's this level here, you can see. So at these levels, the price does have a bit of difficulty to push through. And when it does push through, there's a pretty big continuation. So let's carry on looking at the chart and seeing what happens. See, the strength is still there, the continuation is there, so it continues to go bearish, as you can see. Still going bearish until, what the hell, what just happened? There we go. See you when you try. I'll be looking for you in the night. When the lights get low, feel you don't wanna be alone. See it coming home. I'll be looking for you in the. So something pretty crazy just happened. See, the price has just broken through. It's completely broke through that level, so I believe it was accumulating the price, as you see here, and then it's kind of broken through that level. And that, oh my days, what is this? So I'm not too worried right now, as it could still be a false break. But it doesn't seem to be that way. So I'm not going to risk it and stay in that trade, because this is just too much. And from a bigger perspective, it has broken through that level very strongly. And it's kind of the same thing here. So if we were to as you see, it does break through quite a lot here. Same kind of thing here. It's a pretty big wick. But it kind of is on that move back down. But as I said, it's better to obviously not risk it. So that level was pretty strong, and it does appear that it's completely broke it. So you see the support level is quite strong. We have 1, 2, 3 candles touching. And as for the resistance, we also have 1, 2, and 3. So currently there is really a clear indication of what's going on. Right, how do I get those indicators back? So that I have that side thing anymore. Well, it looks like it's on the left side now, so has it broken through or not? Seems like it has. So see if we can find some kind of indication of where the price could be heading. Is that something we could expect or not? Does look like it. Bang on free tone ratio be 7823. Do 850. Looks a little bit, you know, I'm not liking it today. I'm not liking it at all. Does seem price wants to continue that downward trend, but
I don't know what you playing waiting in line for. Telling me you're tired of the last talk. Trust me, baby, I'm the man for you. Cause we could dance for this moonlight, for this moonlight, for this moon. With me, and we could dance for this moonlight, cause it's moonlight for the moon. Hey, yeah. Maramide, Mayaramide, Baba Mide, Show Baba Mide, body play.
does seem like a reversal is there. Doesn't look like it doesn't look too strong though. We kind of
Trust me,
would be better if you break through this peak here. So realistically now, we could expect a downtrend. So I'm going to exit, as I do not like that trade at all. Shocking. Trust me, baby, I'm the man for you. Is that what we could be seeing? Am I missing something? Not seeing it, guys. Not seeing it. Alright guys, I will be back in just a minute. Right, guys, I'm back. What's been going on here? Nothing too good. Doesn't look like it's broke through fully though. Bit of a false break. So currently it's not looking too good. Seems to be a bit of a battle. Seems like the price is accumulating right now, and we're either going to see a big move bearish, or we'll see that continuation for that bearish trend. So it'll either go bullish or bearish. So short positions are kind of a bit weaker at the minute, as you see. So whilst that's happening, we can have a look at some other coins. It's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. Like Castillo says, it's not looking good.
You always go when I need you more. You always go when I need you more. And all I need is you. Whatever you need. And all I need is you.
What are we currently seeing? Nothing too exciting. I'm just trying to find like a nice trade that we could have, but it doesn't seem like there's too much happening right now. Price isn't moving too much. Got no comment. Currently, it's all over the place. It just doesn't make sense at all as to what's currently going on. That's just horrid. Right, guys, I'm not seeing anything I like, so we'll call it a day. Start again fresh next live. I'm just not seeing what I want to be seeing, and the market, it's not looking very good at the moment. So we'll leave on a positive and go again next session. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.